I wanted to ask you about free will.
Free will.
I wanted to play with the idea of free will a little bit.
Is there anything else?
Yes.
Is there anything else other than free will? Does anything other than free will exist in all of the universe? If everything that comes to you comes by the power of your thought and no one else can think your thoughts, is there anything other than free will that exists anywhere in this universe?
From that perspective, absolutely not.
All right. Ask another question then. Well, we're just wanting you to get right to the essence of what were you wanting to contemplate about free will.
Because I'm an extension of source energy.
Yes?
I don't always feel like it's me who's thinking the thought, or that I really have much choice in the thoughts that are being thought.
Well, if that were true, then everything else that you've said since you sat here could not be true. Because you said, I feel contrast. If you couldn't think a variable to what your inner being thinks, you could never feel negative emotion. Every negative emotion that you have is an indication that you have free will. You have the free will to blend with love or to deny it.
But then why, and I already know the answer of what you're going to say, but I guess I'm searching for something more, is then why, with all the magnificent awareness that I have, does it take me sometimes pockets of time to really be who I am, if I know this?
Because you are in a state of constant evolution, and you can never really be who you are because you are in a constant state of change, because you are an eternal being.
I love that so much.
Say it again.
I love to hear that. And that's not the answer I was expecting you to say.
But it is the answer, isn't it?
So I'm always going to be catching up. I'm always in that space between.
Yes, you are always going to be catching up because you are always turning thoughts to things. So you are always going to be catching up. But feel the difference between feeling the wholeness of who you are. In other words, it's not catching up, it's becoming. Rather than catching up, I'm always in the state of becoming. And I have this pre-paving that I've done. I've launched the thought ahead. And then Source has joined the thought. Source joined my thought. So whose free will is it? Who's leading who?
Yeah, I'm leading.
So I launched the thought. Source joined the thought. And then we unified, we blended, and we turned those thoughts to things, which caused me to stand in an entirely new vibrational place with a new set of contrasting experiences so that I could do it again and again and again and again. Constant becoming. And why?
Because I love it so much.
Because it feels so good, because it is so natural, because it is joyful. Because it needs to be done? No. Because it is a desire that has been in your vortex. Talk about wanting to go back to the beginning of Source or to the beginning of time. Has been in your vortex eternally. The desire for more, the desire for expansion, the desire for continual becoming is the premise of that which we all are. The difference between non-physical you and physical you is that the non-physical you knows it, embraces it, and accepts it, and so never feels a moment's lack in the becoming process. There's such understanding of the inevitability of the becoming process that there's never a moment of discomfort in something that hasn't become. Your inner being will never stomp on the ground where the corn has just been planted and say, come out, I want to eat the seed. Your inner being knows the inevitability of the fullness of what is coming. We are appreciating all of you, especially today, because we have moved into some fine-tuning that will serve you extremely well. But it is a little slow going, isn't it? It feels a little slow going.
Sometimes, yeah.
Can you feel that you're different now than you were?
Yes.
Can you feel that you have more understanding than you did?
Oh, yes.
Are you ready to sort of get out of this room and lighten up? Are you ready to just let go of all of this trying to figure it out and just let the universe have its way with you? Are you ready to allow the new you that has been accomplished vibrationally to turn into things over the next day or two that will surprise and delight you?
Yes.
You are brilliant. And you are loved. And we are complete.